दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Leave granted in SLP in bracket C bracket out number 29181 of 2018 full stop para. All appeals were taken up for hearing at the notice stage with the consent of the contesting respondents full stop para. These appeals have arisen from the common judgment and order of the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal in bracket for short court NCLAT D court bracket out New Delhi dated 6 September 2018 rendered in appeals filed in relation to the insolvency resolution process under the provisions of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016 in bracket for short quote I and B code D court bracket out concerning Kamineni Steel and Power India Limited in bracket for short quote KS and PIPL D court bracket out full stop having its registered office at Hyderabad, Telangana and Innovative Industries Limited in bracket for short quote IIL D court bracket out having its registered office at Pune, Maharashtra full stop para. The NCLAT affirmed the order passed by the National Company Law Tribunal Mumbai bench in bracket for short quote NCLT Mumbai D court bracket out recording rejection of the resolution plan concerning IIL and directing initiation of liquidation process under chapter 3rd of part 2nd of the I and B code full stop. As regards KS and PIPL, the NCLAT reversed the decision of the National Company Law Tribunal Hyderabad in bracket for short quote NCLT Hyderabad D code bracket out which had approved its resolution plan and instead remanded the proceedings to NCLT Hyderabad for initiation of liquidation process in terms of section 33 and 34 of the I and B code full stop para. The NCLAT held that as in both the cases the resolution plan did not garner support of not less than 75% of voting share of the financial creditors constituting the committee of creditors in bracket for short quote COC D quote bracket out the same stood rejected and thereby warranted initiation of liquidation process of the concerned corporate debtor namely KS and PIPL and IIL full stop para. For considering the grounds of challenge in the respective appeals, we deem it appropriate to advert to the relevant facts concerning the respective corporate debtor full stop para. KS and PIPL was incorporated as a private limited company on 20th October 2008 full stop. Its steel division commenced operation on 30th March 2013 full stop. The company was functional till the financial year 2014-15 full stop. However, it could not continue beyond this period due to deficit, working capital and various other factors including financial crisis, leading to heavy operational losses and consequent erosion of the entire net worth full stop. Attempts were made to revive the company by forming a joint lenders forum by the consortium of banks full stop. As that attempt did not fructify, the company filed an application with BIFR under section 15 in bracket 1 bracket out of सिक इंडस्ट्रियल कंपनीज इन ब्रैकेट स्पेशल प्रोविजंस ब्रैकेट आउट एक्ट 1985 on 15th November 2016 full stop. The said proceedings abated due to a notification dated 25th November 2016 as to the repeal of the act full stop. Eventually, the company filed a petition under section 10 of the I&B code read with rule 7 of the insolvency and bankruptcy in bracket application to adjudicating authority bracket out rules 2016 full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये एक्यूरेट लगभग 100 या 102 या 3 की होगी डिक्टेशन, ठीक है। इसमें ब्रैकेट्स एब्रीविएशंस ज़्यादा आए हैं, ठीक है। इसकी वजह से बीच में थोड़ा खींचना भी पड़ा, तो आपको थोड़ा लगा होगा कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है, लेकिन वो ज़्यादा नहीं थी स्पीड, ठीक है। अब जैसे कोट और डी कोड जो आया है ना, इसका कोट और डी कोड का मतलब होता है डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा शुरू और डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा बंद का मतलब डी कोड। शुरू होने का मतलब कोट और बंद होने का मतलब डी कोट, ठीक है। और जहाँ फर्स्ट और जहाँ सेकंड हमने बोला है वो रोमन में होगा, रोमन नंबर्स में होगा, ठीक है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, इसको ध्यान से लिखिएगा, मैटर साइटेशन के साथ दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। बताइएगा फिर जो भी कमेंट्स आपके हों और स्पीड और बढ़ानी हो तो भी बता दीजिएगा, ठीक है। तो मिलेंगे फिर अगली डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करते जाइएगा। थैंक यू।